best thing about working with Pilot John is the availability for information, like being able to search up a part, like right online by aircraft model, making it accessible, just nitrogen service fitting, boom, right there, hydraulic service fitting, and it'll show which model aircraft it goes to. So it makes it easy to find the information on what you're looking for, even if you don't necessarily know the part number. It's so easy. You get on there, you set up your account, even that's easy to set up. And then you get to start searching, you got the prices right there. You know, if it's special, you get a quote, but then when you have your account rep, it's easy to communicate with them. It's just easy information for me is the best part. You know, even if you don't know what you're looking for, you can still find it. Shout out to Camden. He's the best, communication on point, definitely responsive, quick to it, gets back to me right on time, lets me know if he needs more time or not, which, I appreciate that. Even if you can't get it, let me know how long it will take you. Instead of just leaving me in the dark. I'll call him probably 4 or 5 times a week, try to get stuff moving for Empire, and he's great about that. I love it. Pilot John personalizes the experience. They try and make sure that they match somebody with your company to make sure you guys are appealing to us the best that you can. Really a personalization of you guys fitting to our company, working together.